Hi, I'm Andrea McKinnon, and I have this idea for Red Without Lead that is a clean, safe lip color that will make you just feel like you with one swipe. More than any other makeup item, I know that made me feel really good as a postpartum mom of 3. I think that it's a shame that in this industry, where we know there's no safe amount of lead, most lipsticks have that trace of lead that the FDA takes into account, and no one really is testing for this. What's ironic is I was looking up pregnancy safe shampoos and skincares, things that would be nursing safe, and yet lipstick, I was like, I'm not only hurting myself, but I'm kissing the people I love the most. And so I'm thinking beetroot extract and these more additional tested materials would be something that should be industry standard. I want to start with me, and that way we can take out Red 6, take out these toxic chemicals that are bad for us. So I'm fundraising right now. I have 2 labs lined up who can formulate with me and who have said that they can do these additional tests with me and work with my formula. The marketing is ready to go. I just want to crowdfund for the samples so that the minimum order quantity makes sense, and have the first users be the supporters on Kickstarter, who I've seen just launch some incredible brands. So if you would like to join with me, please let me know. I think this is such an amazing thing that we could give to our moms and our friends and our daughters. So let me know what you think, and thank you for listening.